Salam everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Aabish Abdullah. In today's video, I will show you the eyebrow threading, eyebrow makeup and eyelash perm. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And we are here in a beauty garden. She will show you how to do the threading.
First time?
No.
It's not the first time, but all the time it's the first time.
Every time I make this.
So it's a threading.
So as you can see, she's using a thread just to pluck the brow or the hair, the eyebrows. Gently, it's kind of pain, I think, but I haven't tried it. But no, I tried once, but I like more on using a tweezer. So I don't do usually a threading. But here in Bahrain is very popular, mostly of the locals, because they have lots of hair in their face, mostly in their whole faces, because they're very hairy, not like Asian, that because we are less.
Oh, that's so fast! And now we are here in Oasis Jufair, and as you can see, it is a makeup. It's an eyebrow makeup now, and she's putting a line first on the eyebrow. So it's really easy, or it's really advisable that you have to draw the line first and then fill it. So it's easy for you to to maneuver or to fill all the spaces, or all the just to put the gel on it or the powder on it. And I think she's using a brush just to scatter the hair and scatter the color.
And in here, she's setting, or she will be using a concealer, a brow or shape. What is this? A brow or shape or fill, brow shape and fill. It's a 2-in-1, and of course a brush. That's 2-in-1 also.
Ay palang gagamitin.
Yeah, that's the.
After filling in, like it's set already, and now she is putting a concealer just below the line, so just to emphasize the brow or the eyebrows. So that's why she's putting a concealer. This, when I'm doing my own, I didn't do this, but she is saying that it should be just to emphasize your brow, like if there is an even line or there is not in line with your eyebrows, it will hide, it will conceal using the concealer. So it's a really good idea if you have much time, but usually I don't have much time in the morning. So luckily I have my tattoo, so I don't do much of that effort. So if you don't have, then if your eyebrow is not lined or properly lined, and of course, even if you are very careful, there is some line that so you can hide it using the concealer. So just to emphasize. To complete the look, she added some lipsticks, and yeah, it looks more good now, and she properly lined it. And she's also saying that it is very important that you have to line your lips and then to fill the lipstick. And to complete it, she added a mascara. is the correct way or how to put the mascara. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Ayan. Salamat sa transformation. 200% na ano, nag-transform.
Pag ano pala, pag may pupuntahan tayo, punta tayo dito.
Do my eyelash. It's called Eyelash Perming. Tape?
Tape.
It's a tape?
No, this is one for
This is the one to set the lashes. Okay. Just to set. So nice. So I have my new lashes now. It's white. It's so white. So now I have to close my eyes and see you in a while. See you when I see you. How many minutes? 10 minutes kailangan nakasara yung ano ko.
Hindi masyado.
I have to close.
Hindi masyado sila. Kasi,
Ayan.
ano lang, kasi, ano,
Normal lang nasara.
normal lang. Kasi, ano ko yun.
But yeah, it's finished. See, just check. I still have my eyelashes. Maybe it's gone now.
Kulit na. Lagyan mo ng ano, Day.
No,
Ano yun, Day?
no.
Mascara.
Mascara.
Mas maganda pag lagyan mo.
Mm. Maiksi lang kasi yung mga ano ko, no? Mm. So yeah. It's like, it's kind of stingy, you know. It's like biting, like there's biting in your eyes, but pan. This is the finished product. This is flex now.
Yung na, yung konti. Ay, huwag masyado. Ganun lang. Yes.
I have my lashes flex. See? And that's it. Allah Hafiz for now, and see you on my next one. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up for more videos to come, and please don't forget to subscribe.